Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase battery life in Realme GT Neo 3T. This is the battery life you will be getting after you follow the instructions in this video. There are 5 steps in this video. Step 1. Go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Battery. Then click Advanced Settings. Click on Optimize Battery Use. Now click on each app and select Auto Optimize. Do this for all the apps in the list. By default, most of the apps will not be set to Auto Optimize, so you have to enable it for every app. Step 2. Go to Battery and then click on Advanced Settings. Then click on Optimize Standby. Now select Ultra Standby Mode. This will reduce battery drain during standby or when you sleep at night. This is the most common issue that has been mentioned by Realme users. Step 3. In the same advanced setting, click on Quick App Freeze. Then enable all the apps that you don't use often. Don't enable this for apps that you use all the time, like WhatsApp, email, or bank apps. Step 4. Pull down the notification and click on Dark Mode. This will apply dark mode to your system. As this phone has an AMOLED display, it turns off the pixels and saves battery when the display is black. You can also manually choose dark mode in all the apps you use. Step 5. Click on Settings and search Scanning in the search box. Now click on Bluetooth Scanning and disable both Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. These tips will improve your battery life in Realme GT Neo 3T, and it will also stop battery drain during night. Now I'm getting more than 8 hours of screen on time after using all these settings. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.